Hello, welcome to our today's lesson. In this lesson, we are going to work on dividing three-digit numbers by one-digit number. I have brought two examples over here. The first example is 625 divided by 5, and the second example is 268 divided by 6. We first start with the first example and set it up by writing under the long division sign. 625, which is the dividend, goes under the division sign. So 625 is written here, and 5, which is the divisor, goes outside the division sign, and we write it to the left of the sign. We now look first how many whole groups of 5 can we get out of 6. We can get one whole groups of 5. 1 times 5 is 5. We write it under the first digit, which is 6, and then subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. The next step is to bring down the next digit. So we bring down 2, and again we look how many whole groups of 5 we can get out of 12, or almost 12. To look closely, we can get 2 whole groups of 5 out of 12. 2 times 5 is 10. So 12 minus 10 is 2. And again, we bring down the next digit. The number becomes 25. We see that we can get 5 whole groups of 5 out of 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. And 25 minus 25 is 0. By solving this problem, we can see that we have few steps to divide a three-digit number by one-digit number. The first step is to divide. We first divide, in which we divided 6 by 5, and then subtract. We, in this problem, subtracted 5 from 6 and got 1. The next step is to bring down. Bring down, and again repeat the same step. Repeat the same step. And we don't have to forget that after dividing, we have to multiply. We have to multiply. We now move to the second example, 268 divided by 6. Again, we set up the problem by writing it under the long division sign, 268 divided by 6. Now, let's see how many whole groups of 6 we can get out of 2. We cannot get any whole groups of 6 out of 2 because 2 is less than 6. We group the two first digits and we get 26. To look closely, we can get 4 whole groups of 6 out of 26. So 4 times 6 is 24. And we move to the next step, which is subtraction. We subtract 26 minus 24 is 2. So the third step is to bring down. We bring down the digit 8, and again repeat the same step. We first divide. We see how many whole groups of 6 out of 28. We can get 4 whole groups of 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 28 minus 24 is 4. So 4 will be the leftover, and we write it over here, R4. It means our remainder is 4. This is all about dividing three-digit numbers by one-digit number. I hope it helps you learn something about dividing three-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. Have a nice time, and thank you so much.